All right, here we go. Launching our next 90-day run. It's all about the MAM, where I'm going to show you how to master the 2-hour income earning activity day. And I'm going to show you how to apply a proven strategy so you can multiply your income. The goal is to walk you through step by step the blueprint of how to make 30K in 90 days by following a 2-hour income earning activity day. So how is that possible? You guys, it's possible because we automate our business. So the automations will be working for you 24/7. So what that means is no DMing people, no bothering friends and family, or no finding customers. And it's all about the attraction marketing. I'm going to show you, you're already a consumer on social media. I'm going to show you how you can take a little bit of that time and become a creator and attract people to your automated business, and we let the automations do the rest of the work for us. So we work on mastering getting the income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. And I'm going to share a strategy that we use so you build an email list and then we invite to our webinars. You're going to absolutely love this. And the goal is a 30K in 90-day run. It is literally your 90-day success path. So if you are ready to follow a proven blueprint and be part of our MAM, where you are going to learn to master, apply, and multiply your income streams over these next 90 days, put ready in the comments because I would absolutely love to share it with you.